Are you ready to become the ultimate backyard BBQ hero this year? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the top 5 best pellet grills of 2024. Whether you're smoking brisket, grilling steaks, or even baking a pizza, these grills promise to transform your cooking experience. From state-of-the-art features to unbeatable flavor, we've got the lineup that will make your next cookout legendary. And if you're looking to snag one of these bad boys at the best price, check out the links in the pinned comment and description below. Ready to fire up? Let's jump into our countdown and find the perfect grill to crown your patio. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the Grills ZPG-450A. If you're just stepping into the world of pellet grilling, this grill is your perfect starter companion without breaking the bank. Let's talk about why it's such a hit for both newbies and seasoned grill masters looking for a secondary option. First up, it's budget-friendly. That's right, the ZPG-450A offers a lot of bang for your buck, making it an ideal choice for those who want the smoky flavors of pellet grilling without a hefty price tag. And despite its wallet-friendly nature, this grill doesn't skimp on cooking space. With around 450 square inches available, you can easily manage a feast for family and friends. Now, no one wants to spend hours figuring out assembly instructions, right? Well, you're in luck because the ZPG-450A is known for its easy assembly. You'll go from unboxing to grilling in no time, which means more time cooking and less time scratching your head over a manual. And let's not forget, it comes with a reliable warranty ensuring that your investment is protected. Peace of mind while you grill? Yes, please. So if you're in the market for an affordable and dependable pellet grill, check out the Grills ZPG-450A. Remember, there's a link in the pinned comment below where you can grab yours today. Moving up to number 4 on our list, we have the Recteq Road Warrior 340. This grill is a game changer for those who love the great outdoors or have limited space at home, like a small balcony. Here's why it's rapidly becoming a favorite among grill enthusiasts. First off, the portability. The Road Warrior 340 is not just a name, it's a promise. This grill is designed for the road, whether you're tailgating at a game, camping in the wilderness, or just grilling on a city balcony. It's compact and easy to transport, setting up in no time so you can get to the fun part faster. And don't let its portable size fool you. This grill is built like a tank with a stainless steel body that's both sleek and durable. It's designed to withstand the rigors of travel and frequent use, so you can count on it season after season. Performance is where the Road Warrior 340 really shines. It maintains consistent temperatures, ensuring your meats and veggies are grilled or smoked to perfection every time. Plus, its simple controls mean you don't have to be a tech whiz to operate it. Just turn it on, set your temperature, and let the grill do its magic. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we've got something truly special for the tech enthusiasts out there. The Brisket Origin 940 Smart Grill. This isn't just any grill, it's like the smartphone of pellet grills, packed with features that bring your grilling game into the 21st century. Now, when we talk about smart features, the Origin 940 is the most technologically advanced grill on our list. Imagine adjusting temperatures, setting timers, or even getting grill status updates all from your smartphone. And yes, it gets even cooler. You can use voice controls. So if your hands are full, just a quick shout out to your grill adjusts the settings. It's that easy and convenient. But it's not all about gadgetry. The advanced smoke control is a game changer, allowing you to fine-tune the smoke intensity. Whether you prefer a light smoky flavor or that rich, deep smoke, you can dial it in just right for perfect results every time. And let's talk capacity, because if you're feeding a crowd, the Origin 940 has got you covered with around 940 square inches of cooking space. Plus, its double-walled insulation ensures that heat isn't just retained, but evenly distributed, minimizing any temperature fluctuations. For those who love technology as much as grilling, the Brisket Origin 940 is your dream grill. Check out the link in the pinned comment to learn more and see how you can bring this high-tech wonder to your backyard. Now, as we edge closer to the top of our list, coming in at number 2, we have the Weber SmokeFire EX4, 2nd Gen. Weber has long been synonymous with high-quality grilling, and this model is a testament to that legacy, blending traditional expertise with modern innovation. What sets the SmokeFire EX4 apart? First, there's the exceptional heat retention. Thanks to Weber's proven grilling technology, this grill maintains consistent and even temperatures, ensuring your meals are cooked just right every time. Whether you're slow roasting a pork shoulder or searing steaks, you can expect perfect results with minimal effort. Durability? Check. The SmokeFire EX4 is built to last. High-quality materials and solid construction mean you'll be grilling for years to come, making it a worthwhile investment for serious grillers. This grill stands up to the elements and the rigors of frequent use, so you can focus on the food, not the upkeep. Ease of use is also a key feature here, especially for those new to pellet grilling. The control panel is straightforward, with clear instructions that take the guesswork out of grilling. And for the flavor enthusiast, the Super Smoke mode is a dream come true. It allows you to infuse your dishes with an intense, smoky flavor, elevating your grilling to gourmet levels. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Taking the coveted #1 spot on our list is the Traeger Pro 575 Wood Pellet Grill. This grill isn't just at the top of our list, it's at the forefront of the pellet grill revolution, blending classic techniques with cutting-edge technology. Why is the Traeger Pro 575 our top pick? Versatility is a huge factor. Whether you're grilling up some burgers, smoking a brisket, baking artisan bread, or roasting vegetables, this grill has you covered. It offers a wide temperature range, providing the flexibility to master any cooking style. This isn't just a grill, it's an all-in-one outdoor kitchen. Traeger's reputation for proven performance is well-deserved. They're pioneers in the pellet grill industry, known for crafting reliable, high-quality grills that stand the test of time. With the Pro 575, you're not just buying a grill, you're investing in decades of grilling expertise. One of the standout features of the Pro 575 is its Wi-Fi connectivity. With the Traeger app, you can monitor and adjust your grill's temperature from anywhere. Imagine tweaking your cooking settings while you're chilling with friends in the backyard or even while running errands. Talk about convenience! Plus, the large cooking capacity means you can easily handle meals for large gatherings or family dinners, making it a perfect choice for any occasion. And that wraps up our guide to the top 5 best pellet grills of 2024. We've journeyed from the most budget-friendly to the absolute cream of the crop in pellet grill technology, ensuring there's a perfect match for everyone, regardless of your grilling needs or expertise. Remember, each of these grills has been selected to enhance your cooking experience, from easy assembly to smart technology features, bringing both convenience and excellence to your backyard. Don't forget to click the links in the pinned comment and description below to view each model and snag the best deals. Your support through these links helps us bring you more great content like this. Thank you for tuning into the Gadget Corner. If this video helped you or added value to your grill shopping journey, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest videos. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and tech insights. Until next time, keep the fire burning and let the good times roll with great food and even better company. Happy grilling, everyone!